Good day, fellow YouTube humans. Good Merry Christmas Day. Apparently it's a Christmas. I am exhausted. This is current. It is currently Christmas Day as I speak to you. Brain not working. Me so tired. I was up at 4:15 this morning. No, 4 o'clock this morning. I set off up north at 4:15. 5-hour drive up to surprise my family, which was good. Walked in and made people cry, which is always a bonus. Who doesn't love somebody crying? Yeah, so I'm actually heading back down another 5 hours in a minute. I'm pretty pooped, so I'm going to hop between service stations. My main issue is that my van practically broke down on the way up here, and I don't think I'm going to make it back. But I need to make it back because there's no wind tomorrow, so I've got jobs I need to do that require no wind, including moving the boat, hopefully, so I'll film that. Basically, now that it's over a minute in, I'll get to the point that I was actually making the video for. To say thank you for watching for an entire year. I've been on YouTube about a year now. I think it's a year tomorrow, something like that. I'm going to do a little video, if I get a chance tomorrow, of like 12 months. How much money did you actually make in 12 months on YouTube? Hopefully loads of people will watch it, and that'll make me some money on YouTube, because not much else is. And I would make absolutely zero if you guys didn't take the time and bother watching these stupid little videos from this stupid little man. Yeah, so I am filling you with festive cheer at the end of the day when everybody is stuffed and just wants to go to sleep. I'm also stuffed because I had dinner at my Auntie Dawn's. Yeah, Merry bloody Christmas. This is it's the worst Christmas video in the world. It's not even Christmas. I'm sat in an old stinking van. Bauble. Christmas tinsel. Oh, I don't know. Merry frigging Christmas and stuff.